Morning and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor for me to present our slide. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Zuraidi and my metric number is F1083 and beside me is
Muhammad Muhaimin bin Razaki and my metric number is F1053.
the topic of my presentation is object used in engineering related contents. First, let me talk about the introduction. The wall first. Wall is a vertical structure often made of stone or brick that divides or surrounds something. Sometimes wall can be made of quarried stone, vinyl, fiber cement, brick, wood, stucco, and composite. Also, walls provide support to the building such as weight that lifting the structure. They help distribute the load through the foundation of the building. Let's go and talk about the IBS wall first. The description IBS wall is a system or method of building construction in which the components are built in a factory and transported and installed during construction with the minimal use of workers and time on site. Next, we're going into the function of IBS wall. The function of IBS wall is the component are manufactured in factory. This approach contrasts with traditional on-site construction method, where most of the work is done at the construction site. Also, this method can reduce the workers on site. After that, the features. The features of IBS walls is components like walls, floor, and roof are pre-made and are manufactured in factory using advanced machine. This can make less mistake than the traditional construction on the site. Lastly, the characteristic. The characteristic of this product is the size of the walls, floor, and roof are typically standardized and which allow for a better quality and easier assembly on the construction site.
I will continue to present about our second product. First, let me talk about the description about the brick wall. A brick wall is a structure constructed from individual bricks. These walls are made from clay or concrete. A brick usually rectangular in shape. Brick walls are known for their durability and their strength. After that, the function of this brick wall is it can help to reduce sound transmission between room or from outside. For example, brick wall can make us feel comfortable even if it noisy outside. Then the feature of the brick wall is this wall is the choice of many people because the pattern can be our likely design such as the brick can be designed in English style or Flemish style. Lastly, the characteristic of this wall is fire resistant. It means we don't have to worry if our house is on the fire. Other than that, the other characteristic of this wall is soundproofing. This wall offers sound insulation to its density and mass.
And my partner will talk about the compare and the contrast about between these two products.
Uh, the compare our product is construction speed. I will start with IBS wall. IBS wall are prefabricated, which means they are manufactured off-site and then assembled on-site. This can reduce construction time compared to traditional method. And for brick wall is are built on site by laying individual bricks, which is long and construction site consuming process. For the labor requirement for the IBS wall is requires fewer on-site workers since most of the construction is done in factory setting. For brick wall is require more on-site labor, cost and time. Cost for the IBS wall is IBS construction can be higher due to the need for special equipment and material. However, they can reduce labor and construction time that can lead to overall cost saving. For the brick wall is generally have lower initial material cost, but the attended construction time and labor can increase the overall cost of the project. For contrast to our two product is construction method for IBS wall is prefabricated of offsite in a factory setting. then transported and assembled on site. For the brick wall is built entirely on site by laying individual bricks and cement. Construction speed for IBS wall is fast construction due to prefabrication on site assemble is quick. For brick wall is slow construction as bricks are laid one by one require more time.
To, to end this slide, I will end with the conclusion. In conclusion, comparing brick walls and IBS industrial building system walls, several key conclusions can be drawn, such as construction speed. IBS walls are typically faster to construct because they involve prefabricated components that can be quickly assembled on site. Brick walls, on the other hand, require more time due to the manual laying of brick. However, job requirement can be the main part of this job, like IBS can reduce the need for skill level on site, as much of the work is done in controlled factory environment. Brick walls require skillful labor and more manual labor on site. To summarize this conclusion, the choice between IBS walls and brick walls depends on factors such as project timelines, budget, labor availability, and sustainability goals. IBS walls offer advantage in speed, consistency, and potentially long-term cost saving, while brick walls are traditionally widely understood and can be more cost-effective for smaller projects or in regions with lower labor costs. That's all for me. Thank you.